Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas live trading room recap for Tuesday, August the 6th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you have, you can use this email address. This is a link to get into our room. It's 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our room. I open the room every morning at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. That's when I start to share my screen, get live on the mic, and I go up to 3:30 Mondays to Thursdays, up to 3 o'clock on Fridays. In the email you're getting, you will see a link for our test drive, Fast Approaching. It starts on Monday, August the 12th, and for $8.99, you can have our premium service for 5 full trading days to try us out. So we get a lot of questions about, do you have a free trial? We don't, but we do this 4 times a year, so this is your best opportunity to try us out. Also, if you're a standard subscriber, you can do the same thing. We'll basically upgrade your subscription to a premium service for the 5 trading days. All right, well, what to say about the lot of great stuff happening with the evening scan curated, if you've been following me, and even the AI curated. Not so much the AI today, but just want to show you a couple that happened today. And there's APPS, okay. Now, this is interesting because I actually saw this a little earlier and it hadn't quite triggered yet. You'll see it here. See, right at 9:30. Hadn't quite triggered yet because at that point it was not at the low of yesterday. It wasn't below the low of yesterday. So even if you had waited on it, the low of yesterday, 543 got all the way down to $5. So if you had waited on that, but that was on a short, and it was interesting because this was an earnings play, and it looked pretty strong. You know, it looked like this is the reaction after hours. It's kind of holding its own in the pre-market, and now it's gone negative. I mean, it just absolutely collapsed on that first candle. So I was able to get that. I jumped the gun on it. I did not wait for that. I actually got it around 580 on the short, and sold along the way. But another nice one. This was really, I think, the star, because there it was, 2107. This was a beaten up stock for the last 2 days. This was earnings. I tried to short this yesterday, but it was down 10 because it was down over 10% the day before. The uptick rule was still in place, but today it wasn't. And so I was able to get the short just underneath. It was 2089. I got the short 2089. Right about there. I covered some here at 2061 and down here at 2021 before it bounced. So that was a really, I mean, look how beautiful that is. The first 15 minutes, or the second, I guess the second, third, and fourth 15-minute candles. I think that's right. Yes. So I mean, just beautiful on that short from the evening scan. I'm still waiting on the laser. As I said, if it comes back, the way I judge how well these work, it doesn't matter. Like, I don't take these right at the alert. I wait to see how it trades. So, I mean, the alert was at 1363. It got down to 1355. I would never take it right there anyway. I would wait to see how it's trading. The same with the OR 1239. It's really not done anything. The cars, it would have been possible, at 1030 there on that candle, and it got down to 981. But that's how I really judge how well these are working. What does it do soon after the alert? Not right at the alert, because I didn't take the floor right at 2107. I waited for a 21 break. On the flip side, there was only one on the positive side, on a signal up, and look how good it is. 251. This stock hit 276. That's a great percentage move. Probably would have been better percentage move. But the problem with this one is 148 million in the float, and so it takes a lot to move it. But I mean, what I would say then, we had three excellent ones out of so far 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can count. Excuse me. Out of 6 total alerts from the evening scan, 3 excellent ones in the IMGN, apps, and FLIR. And then these ones really, they wouldn't have hurt you. And so far so good. Now, these are now available. As I've said before in the room, if you've been in the room, hopefully you understand what I'm doing and how I'm creating them. But even if you don't want to do it yourself, now these are available in my window. If you go to the channel bar and Barry's windows, this is what has replaced what was there before. So basically the symbols that I have looked at, so tonight, I'll look at the symbols from the evening scan, I'll create the symbol list, so you'll see the same symbols that I'm looking at tomorrow, okay? And all you have to do is go to my channel. I do want to talk about the AI alerts. Nothing fabulous, but except for a second here. APO. I mean, APO was a beautiful one. A problem I had with it is that this candle there, I took it right here at 32.24. And again, look, I mean, I didn't get it right in at 32.17. Watch the way it traded. It gets all the way up here, but I think actually it was this candle here, I guess, that kind of got me, or right there, got me out. I thought maybe it's going to start to move down again. I think what was happening at the time was these two bars were forming. I thought, you know what, this might drag this one down. So unfortunately I got out, but if I had held on a little bit longer, that would have been almost $1 move. So that one worked out. The BGS, it's not bad, 1981. The CHS, 298, 308. The TAC, 1776, 1790. I mean, nothing spectacular. And then this one just really did nothing. The WOO really did nothing. This is on a short. I don't know why it's not showing up. Yeah, it did. I mean, a little bit. 2120 down to 2084. So again, nothing that would have hurt you. I guess that's really what I'm trying to say. And certainly the APO would have really been a nice trade. So very excited about what's happening with looking at these AI alerts, not the day of, but following through on them for the following day and sometimes days. So again, come into the room and I'll show you exactly what I'm doing. I actually have a video that I did. I think even in this email that I send out, there's a video that shows you how I'm using the AI alerts going forward and not the day of. So anyway, I do want to get back into the room and bring back the capture program. And I will, oops, sorry, close down. Where was my my screen here? So any questions for me, you can use this email address, the link for the free room, and again, the test drive link is in here along with a subscription link if you do want to take out a subscription right now. And I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock, so hope to see you in the room tomorrow. Bye-bye.